Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Special video today. I got some good upgrades coming for my AMG GTS Mercedes, and what I ordered was a new steering wheel. I wanted something to match the rest of the interior of the car, and it's a bit of an upgrade. I ordered that through JSK Racing. I'm gonna put their information down below, and my contact there is Jenny. I'm also gonna put here a discount code that you can use when you contact Jenny, and she will give you a good discount on some carbon parts or other automotive parts that they make custom made. They did an incredible job. Craftsmanship is spectacular. And my friend Carlos, he also ordered a steering wheel. I got it here, so I'm gonna show it to you for his car. And you know Carlos from the Car Chat series, and he also has an AMG. Gonna put his Instagram here. But let me show you first my steering wheel. I'm super happy with it. I took it out of the box, so I'm not doing the unboxing, but here it is. It's black leather with red stitching. It's got the black Mercedes emblem. It's got dry carbon to match some of the dry carbon that you see on the GTS, with the red marker on top, some perforated leather with the red stitching. Look at it here. And then you got the AMG logo in red with the piano black details here, including the paddle shifters. This is like, it looks incredible. It looks totally factory, or even better than factory. They did an incredible job in getting me this configured to my tasting. So super happy with this. I'm gonna do a video of the installation soon, but yeah, that's gonna look fantastic on my car. So next I'm gonna show you Carlos's steering wheel that matches his interior. Give me 1 minute. Okay, so I'm back. I got Carlos's steering wheel for his AMG GTS, and look at it. Also looks incredible. Dry carbon with the white marker on top. He opted for alcantara on the sides. You can see that with the silver stitching, which looks incredible. He's got some silver gray elements in his car, and he opted for the brushed aluminum sort of details here on the steering wheel. He's got alcantara in the center with all the silver stitching, and then the Mercedes emblem in chrome. It looks very, very good. They did an incredible job. So I'm gonna be shipping this to my friend Carlos. I'm sure he's anxious to get it. I'm playing with it before shipping it to him, but let me tell you, even alcantara here in the back, it looks awesome. So yeah, great job by the guys at JSK Racing. There's one more thing that I want to show you, and I ordered, and it's the engine bay cover in carbon fiber. Everyone wants to see the engine for the Mercedes, so I opened it at shows and to friends, and I think it's gonna look great to have that in carbon fiber with the AMG technician plaque on it and the Mercedes emblem on it. So I'm gonna show it to you now. It looks fantastic too. I can't wait to put that in. Let me show you. All right, so here it is, the Mercedes-Benz GTS carbon fiber cover for the engine bay. It's got the Mercedes emblem will be here in silver. They sent it to me, by the way, and then I will just transplant the AMG technician plaque here, but it's always personalized, one man, one engine, right? The AMG philosophy, and it says AMG here embossed in the design. It looks incredible. That's gonna nicely dress up the engine bay, and it's gonna allow me to show it to more people. People always enjoy seeing this this part. There's other parts that they make for the engine bay. I opted not to go for that now. I think that might be enough for now, and but yeah, they did a great job. Again, there's a discount code here when you call Jenny at JSK. She's gonna treat you well. Make sure that you say that you were referred by GarageBots and that you saw this video. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Short video just to show some new upgrades and goodies that are coming, and I hope to put a video together of the installation of these parts. I'm gonna do it myself, and that's gonna be a lot of fun. So anyway, thank you for subscribing, thank you for sticking around. A lot more coming up in GaragePod, so stick around, and I'll see you around soon. You take care.